Hey guys, welcome to TechRadar. My name is James and I've just got back from the Motorola Razr launch in London. No, it's not 2004, it's 2019 and I've just tried out the new foldable phone alongside Samsung's Galaxy Fold. So I've tried out two of probably the most famous foldable phones that you can buy right now alongside each other. And here are 5 of the things I've noticed that are different between the two handsets. The first big difference you'll notice between these two phones is the type of display that you're going to get. The Samsung Galaxy Fold has a 7.3-inch screen, while the Motorola Razr 2019 has a 6.2-inch display. Those specs don't really mean all that much though, because they're in different aspect ratios, with the Motorola Razr coming in a 21:9 aspect ratio, which makes the screen a lot longer than what you'll find on the Galaxy Fold. Another big difference between these two phones is the folding mechanism that each of them is using. The Samsung Galaxy Fold has a small gap between the two screens when it's folded up, but the Motorola Razr has no gap at all thanks to its new innovative hinge design. At our time at the Motorola event, the company was very clear that they believe this to be a durable design, and Samsung thinks the same of their hinge as well. Both of them have felt durable during our testing time, but we've only had both of these phones for a short amount of time. Both of these phones come with a notch, but the Motorola Razr is actually more traditional in its notch than the Samsung Galaxy Fold. Samsung has clearly moved the notch over to the right-hand side of the device, so it's no longer sitting on the crease. Whereas the notch on the Motorola Razr is front and center, but it's much smaller than the one you'll find on the Samsung. As well as the main display you'll find on each of these handsets, they both have a secondary display which show different stats such as your text messages or different notifications through to your phone when the phone is folded up. The Samsung Galaxy Fold has a 4.6-inch screen with a 720p resolution, while the Motorola Razr has a much smaller 2.7-inch screen. You can do a lot more with the Samsung Galaxy Fold secondary display, while the Motorola Razr's secondary display is more to just show you what's happening on your phone. Think of this like a smartwatch screen rather than a phone screen. You will be able to respond to messages quickly on this display, but it's more likely you'll be using the main display on the Motorola Razr. It's important to notice that both of these phones are trying to do different things. The Samsung Galaxy Fold is trying to offer you a tablet-like experience that's in your pocket, while the Motorola Razr is trying to make a smaller display, but also come with that nostalgic element of using the Razr name. It's definitely satisfying to flip the phone open like you did with the Motorola Razr V3 back in 2004, and it also comes with a retro mode to give you that kind of nostalgic element as well. As we've said, both of these phones are trying to do different things, but they both come with quite different prices as well. The Motorola Razr is the cheaper of the two at $1,500 in the US, while the Samsung Galaxy Fold sells for $2,000. You'll obviously be paying more for the Samsung device because it comes with that larger display. It's also important to note that this is the first gen technology from both of these companies, and it'd be exciting to see what each of them does in the future. Have you noticed any other differences that we haven't mentioned in this video? Be sure to put them down in the comments below. And if you're interested in more videos like this, we have a Motorola Razr hands-on that you can find just up here. Be sure to like this video and please subscribe too. Thanks for watching.